2,800 LEDs and 0 apologies. That's right, these have 240 LEDs per meter, and this is a single row set. This puts out 1,400 LEDs underneath your truck. A dual row set puts out 2,800 LEDs. So if you have a rock light pod and it has 36 LEDs in it, you only need 77 LEDs to compete with these. And you know, we thought we were doing a really great thing making these universal. They bolt in, they screw into every full-size truck with a solid aluminum frame. And then the Jeep guys were like, where's our LEDs? Where are our Fender Well Lights? So what do? We rolled out a whole new Jeep accessory line with Fender Well Lights, white and RGB/W Fender Well Lights for all you Jeep lovers with the ducks in the window. So let's talk about these RGB/W Fender Well Lights. These are a dual row light. Of course, they're flexible. They will bolt and fit into any full-size truck, and now Jeep. These only came in a dual row light, but now we're making them in a single row light for you guys. And as I mentioned before, they're plug and play. All you have to do is plug it together and put a power to ground on a control box, and you control these with your cell phone over the remote control. But subscribe to our page because we're adding new truck accessories every week. And Sick Diesel will be one of the largest truck accessory companies in the US. You listen to what I'm telling you because we're always innovating and we're always listening to our customers. So go on our site and get yours today.